Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are now in the third week of quarantine and I thought this morning what video I should do for you, and finally there are no excuses to do a video about my handbag collection. So I would like to talk about designer handbags, to show you the premium handbags that I own and luxury handbags. And also maybe in the next video I will do my bag wish list and some kind of visualization map of the bags that I really want to have in my collection. Let me know if you're interested to watch this video and I'm happy to film it. But for now on, let's start with my favorite topic on this channel, bags. To start with, I want to show you my beloved bags from Anteprima. This is a brand from Italy with a Japanese twist. People working in this brand are really good friends of mine and I'm happy to start with these bags on my channel. So I will start chronologically. So the first bag is this one. It's Anteprima twist bag. And I like how delicate the leather is, and it has like the light lining and very beautiful belt. So it's like a baguette style bag that you can wear like this, or you can wear it crossbody. But it's such a lovely bag and I love it so much. It gives me this vintage vibes, which are my favorite. So this is the first bag. Two new bags, which is the brand Major, and the style is called wire bag. So this is the recent one and it's so beautiful. Once I went to my German classes and people are like, wow, your bag is a mood, and I absolutely agree. It's such a cute little thing, and if you can see, it's like a knitted bag, so it's something fresh, something new, and I really love the design. And it also so well made, like with the details, all this like magnetic clasp right here. So it's a lovely bag. And it has a little sister, which I surprisingly got after Milan Fashion Week. Brand sent me this cute present. So it's a new bag and it's a little sister of this one. And it has different options, so you can wear it like a chain bag, you can wear it like a belt bag, you can wear it as a crossbody bag. So this is really cute one and I love it a lot. I'm still waiting for the hour to show it to the world. Probably it will be on my balcony. Another premium brand from Italy, and it's called Plinio Visona. I also partnered and worked with them. This is the brand to pay attention. Maybe you haven't heard about this. Sure, if you follow me on my Instagram, you saw these bags a lot. So this one is like with a bamboo top handle, and I love this bag so much. It's a perfect bag for summer, and I have a lot of questions when I'm wearing this bag. A lot of people are like, wow, what is the brand? I love the design. And frankly speaking, it reminds a little bit of the Gucci bamboo handle or vintage Gucci. So really love this brand. And I have more statement piece, which I got last September during Milan Fashion Week, and it's a red bag. It has another belt inside, like very similar to this one, but I love in this combination, especially when I wear monochrome or total black outfit, to have this statement bag with a belt is just like, what a cool bag. So it goes well with my outfit today. So yeah, that's what I also want to mention, and these two bags are very dear in my bag collection. Let's continue with Italian brands, and I want to start with a luxury bag that I recently got in January. It's a Prada Cohere bag in velvet. It's a very rare piece and I bought it pre-loved for very good money, so I'm very happy. You know, it's like velvet, so it has some imperfections, but you can see from the far. The technology of the print is 3D, so you feel like it has some volume and 3D effect. So I really love this bag, and also has a beautiful belt. I think it's a fun and very fashion statement bag to own. So, and if you open, you have like a very beautiful suede lining here. So it's a very, very quality bag and a bit of fun. Maybe in 1 year I will like, okay, only classics again. But in now you can see that my collection just switched for more vintage, more pre-loved and more statement and fun bags, which I don't know, is it a period or I just like getting crazy? I don't know. So the very new bag of mine is this Prada re-edition. If you want to have a review about this bag, I will put the link in the description box. Also, it's a sold out piece. However, I found a couple of bags for a very good price, so I will also put links into description. So if you're searching for this bag and for this style, you can check it out. Also, Prada has the bag which is like re-edition 2000 and re-edition 2005. So it doesn't have the two straps, it just has one strap, like a shoulder strap, and it is half of this price, so you can check it. I will also put some links into description box so you can find it all there. So if my husband will invite me for a home date, I will definitely wear it like this, without this strap, like this. I talk a lot about this one, but this is my newest toy and I like it so much. And this little purse as well, how cute it is. I love this bag so much. However, there was some drama about this bag. If you want to check the drama, I can link the video into description box. But this one, Dior Saddle bag. This is a vintage bag and it's a rare color. It's like khaki denim, so approximately it is 2004. I bought it pre-loved. I didn't have the best experience. It was a nightmare investigation. However, I like this bag a lot and it is so nice to add to my basic wardrobe and it's very cute. I was not a big fan of Dior Saddle bags, but then when all this rush for this bag finished, I went to Dior store in Milan and I checked it in person, the new one, and I'm like, wow, this is so cool. I definitely need to buy one. However, I didn't want to buy it full price, so I went for pre-loved one and very happy. Love this color a lot. And the last bag, but not least, it's a very valuable in my collection. For now on, it's a queen of my bag collection and I think this is the most expensive bag that I own. Me and my husband, we bought it for my last birthday and this is a Chanel bag. So this is my first Chanel bag, a wallet on chain, so it's not technically a bag, but for that price I will consider it's a bag. So wallet on chain, I wear it for special occasions, mostly for date nights or like fashion week. So I love this bag a lot. It's so classy and versatile, so probably now it's the most versatile bag that I own. I like that it is in a silver hardware, so it goes with the daytime outfits and with the nighttime outfits, so really love it. And it has like the burgundy lining. The history of this bag, the detailing and the purposes of this different pockets, it's so fascinating, so it makes this bag iconic and I'm very lucky that I have one Chanel bag in my collection. So this is my current bag collection, so you can see it is a mix of styles, a mix of colors, a mix of brands. It's not full, and comparing with other years I went for more vintage and pre-loved options. However, I'm saving for one option, that's why some of the bags are missing. But with all this crisis, I don't know, I have one bag on my radar for 3 years and I'm like, oh, maybe I will buy it, maybe no, maybe yes. So I start selling my other bags to get one. It was always sold out, and when I wanted, I'm like, no, it's too much for one bag. So I'm still keeping it until I'm 100% sure and until the dots connect so I can buy that bag. But for now it's like this. I love it a lot. I wear everything, so it's very practical, and no bag sits on the shelf in the dust, so they all have a lot of attention from my side and a lot of occasions that I wear them for. So I'm very happy with my current collection. I also will try to find very similar styles and put it all for you into the description box. So if you like something, please check it out, and I hope it will be helpful. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.